Hello beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I create nude eye look for you. So if you like my eye look, so let's create other eye together. Let's get started now. Hi, so now I'm going to start with the blending. So I am taking a blending brush. I am taking the light color of eyeshadow and blend my crease slowly. Now I'm taking to the pencil brush and I'm grabbing the darker color for my outer corner. Now I am putting on the outer corner and slowly I'm blending it to the upper lid. Now I'm trying to make it darker again, and I'm going to the lower lash line because later I don't want to waste my time for the lower lash line, so it's good if we will apply both together, so it's good. Now I'm going to take the blending brush to the lighter shade to blend the darker one. I don't want to see any kind of harsh line, so I'm going to blend them together. So we can anytime we can apply the darker color to if you want some darker outer line. So I'm going to apply the darker color because I want a darker color on my outer corner. So anytime we can add the colors. Now I'm going to apply the shimmer on my lid. Mostly I'm going to apply the shimmer on top of my eyeball, so it's giving a very good effect. So I'm going to use the blending brush for my shimmer. So now I'm going to use the blending brush for my shimmer to mix with my eyeshadow because I don't want to see any kind of harsh line. Now I'm going to remove my tape now. Wow, so I can see little bit mistakes, so I'm going to fix my mistakes with the pencil brush. Now I'm going to apply the eyeliner. Oops, it's a bit hard for me to apply with one hand, so I'm going to apply it, and here you go, I done with my eyeliner. Now I'm going to apply my kajal also. So yeah, now I'm going to apply the mascara. So one by one I'm applying everything in front of you and telling you how to apply the makeup products. So yeah, here you go, my all makeup look is done. I hope you like my makeup, my eye makeup. If you like, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.